Unveiling the phrase, mark the occasion. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, mark the occasion. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add depth to your language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase. Mark the occasion is a phrase used to express the act of celebrating or commemorating a special event or moment. It often involves doing something memorable or significant to acknowledge the importance of that event. For example, if someone says, "We are going to mark the occasion of our anniversary by going to a fancy restaurant," it means they plan to celebrate their anniversary in a special way. The key here is that marking an occasion is about recognizing and giving importance to special moments in life. The phrase, mark the occasion, comes from the word mark, which means to notice or pay attention to. Over time, it has taken on the meaning of celebrating or commemorating. In English, this phrase is used in various contexts, from personal celebrations like birthdays and anniversaries to public events and holidays. It's a versatile phrase that you can use in both formal and informal settings. For instance, the city will mark the occasion of its 100th anniversary with a parade. Let's see how this phrase is used in different sentences. 1. They decided to mark the occasion of their daughter's graduation with a small family gathering. 2. To mark the occasion of the new year, the company gave all employees an extra day off. 3. The museum will mark the occasion of its reopening with a special exhibit. And that's a wrap on Mark the Occasion. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel more confident in using this phrase. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like these. Keep practicing, and don't forget to mark the occasion of your language learning milestones. See you in the next video.